it is. That was unbelievable.
Oh man, that's awesome.
Beautiful bird, Jay. Way to get it done, man.
That was awesome, huh?
Ah, Goulds turkeys are everything we'd hoped for. What an experience.
Unbelievable. It was worth every minute of it, I'll tell you.
That was an awesome hunt. Thank you, Jake, for inviting me out. It was, it's been a hunt of a lifetime. And if anybody ever asks, there's no doubt I will tell them that if they can do it, they've got to do it. It's crazy.
It's all about the hunt, and if you don't come here and hunt with Jay Scott, you're missing the experience of a lifetime.
That was absolutely fantastic. Day one, afternoon one. There's my Royal Slam sitting right over there, flopping a little bit. Jay Scott, outdoors, baby. GouldTurkeyHunts.com.
You fell asleep. Ready to get this party started?
Good, brother.
Yeah. First morning here at the ranch. Getting ready to head off. See what we can do.
What did Seth say to you right after? He said it took you long enough?
Yeah. Man, enjoyed the show.
Heck yeah, that's what you should do.
Debating whether you.
I've been biting the whole time.
Seth.
I don't think he was gonna
Congrats,
do
man.
it.
Good shit.
He was a little weary.
Once he turned around, fan. See how the black is wide? Yeah. And the white is almost the same width all the way around?
Mm-hmm.
A 2-year-old bird will be black, width, and it'll start to taper off right here where they lose the last Jake feathers. And the white will start out wide and it'll pinch off real narrow where it's barely any white tips. That's a 2-year-old bird. When you get this full white, it's at least 3 and over.
That's cool.
Part of the Goulds, why we love them, is they get these eyelashes,
Gorgeous.
and there's no other turkey that does it.
Yeah, I
It's
just
a
now
special
really
thing.
noticed that.
Just a gorgeous bird.
Absolutely.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Great morning, guys. Great
Awesome.
morning. Great job.